my channel Sonal from USA. And I know you all have been waiting for the giveaway announcement winners, right? So today is the day. Today is 9th December. Exactly 1 month हमारा जो कॉन्टेस्ट था वो चला गिव अवे का. बहुत लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया. We almost got 2000 entries. Yes, 2000 entries. And you know the rule. Rule was you have to have the maximum points. So वो पूरी लिस्ट में से हमने we have taken the maximum points जिन्होंने स्कोर किए हैं उनके नाम, and the winners would be chosen absolutely randomly. So I am going to take you through the process because it is going to be the completely transparent process. I am not going to handpick any of the winner. This King Sumo also allows me to draw the random winners, but those winners that will not be justifiable because पॉइंट्स बेस्ड है हमारा ये विनिंग. हमको चाहिए था कि पीपल एंटर डिफरेंट वेज, जैसे कि उनको फेसबुक पे जाना था, सब्सक्राइब करना था. देयर आर मेनी वेज टू एंटर इन दिस कॉन्टेस्ट एंड वी वांटेड देम टू एंटर इन ऑल दीज वेज. So that is why this was point based and the highest scorers would be eligible for the winning. So let's look at the list. I'm going to show you online who is going to get these exciting prizes. Are you excited? Yes, I'm excited. Let's jump onto the PC and let's see how the winners are drawn. And it's transparent process as I promised. No handpicked winners. We are just going to spin the wheel. Let's see. Alright, so let me move this on the side. And I am going to jump to the PC now. And let's see our winners. So this is the site, and as you can see here we got 2000 entries. And most of the contestants have filled up the form, some of them have not, and that's why I have to choose your email IDs for the random winning. And now I am going to download the report from this dashboard. So I have these names. I'm going to hide this so you will not see the names and email IDs because I'm not supposed to show this information. I am downloading them all in the Excel. And here is my list. So this is the list of the participants who participated. I'm going to hide this email ID column for now so that we don't see them. And as you see these entries, these are the points that we were talking about. So if you see, there are people who have scored highest, so we are going to take people who have scored the highest from 74 to 87. These are the highest numbers. So let's go to the email IDs now. I am still not going to show you email IDs. I'm going to unhide now. Alright. So now I'm going to take people who have maximum scores, who have scored more than 70 because these are the highest number that I see. I'm going to copy paste and ta-da! I'm going to go to this site which is called Wheel of Names. So you see this site Wheel of Names, which is a random picker. Now see here, this is click to spin and press Ctrl to enter. So I'm going to copy paste all the email IDs here. And ta-da, you see them on all the wheel? Right. And now it's time to spin the wheel. Alright, are you ready? Let's see who is the first winner. And I'm going to spin this wheel. Let's see who is the winner. Anjali Benes. So this is the first winner, and I'm going to remove this person because he's already a first winner. You got your gift card. You're going to get it in the email. Alright. Now I am going to. Alright, so I have removed that person. Now let's go for the second card, second gift card winner. Alright, are you ready? I'm going to spin the wheel. Let's see who's the winner. And the winner is Harman Kaur. Harman, congratulations. I know you wanted it so much and your friends also wanted you to win, and you are the winner. And you see, I have not done anything. I'm just spinning the wheel here. So there is no manual intervention. Congratulations, Harman. I think your friends really wanted you to win, and that's why you are here as a winner. So kudos to your friends because they were really praying for you. I'm removing your name. Alright, now let's get started for the third winner. I'm going to spin this wheel. Are you ready? Who is the winner? 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 Oh, Ultimate Man Love.com is the winner. Third gift card winner. Congratulations, Ultimate Man. I'm going to remove him from this list now. Alright, so I'm going to just reshuffle some names from here to here. And I have just reshuffled the names in the list, and we are going to spin the wheel again. Now let's see who is the fourth winner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth winner. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you guys ready? I am ready. Woo! Jimmy7email.com is the winner. I don't know who is the person's name, but you are going to get your gift card right away in the email. So the condition, as you know, is I am going to email you. You have to respond back to me within 7 days confirming that yes, you have received my email so I can send you a gift card. Alright, so we will remove this name, Jimmy. And last but not the least, बहुत लोग बाकी है अभी भी. Let's see who is the last lucky one. Trust me, I have not done anything. We have gone absolute transparent, point based. Highest points we have picked up from the 70s onwards because that was the highest score that we see. Rest of the people were at really lowest scores. And now last winner. Ready? Ready? Oh, Samarpita, you just missed. I'm so sorry, Samarpita, you just missed. But Shraddha, you are the lucky one. Gmail.com. She is the fifth winner, and all my 5 giveaways. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for participation. I really love you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You will see more interesting vlogs, and if you have anything that you want me to cover, please write to me in the comments. And what should be the next giveaway? Tell me that. We are going to come up again with next giveaways. But you have to subscribe to my channel so that you know when my next giveaway is coming up so that you don't miss it. And definitely it will be a little bigger than this. But stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel, and in the comments tell me what should be the next giveaways. Alright, all the participants, thank you so much for participating. It's a game, so there would be some winners, some losers. I am really sorry if you have not winning this time. You will win it next time. So stay tuned and participate in my next giveaway. And the people who have got it, all the 5 winners, congratulations. Please reply to my email and I will be sending you gift cards in the email. Alright, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Gift cards are coming. Bye. Bye-bye.